Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual.
Remove the nozzle. Loosen the used contact tip with welpers and remove by hand. Using the wire as a guide, install the new contact tip and tighten with welpers. Reinstall the nozzle. When changing the nozzle, ensure there is no spatter buildup blocking the diffuser gas holes. Remove the nozzle. With a 5/8 inch wrench, loosen the used diffuser and contact tip. Remove by hand. Using the wire and liner as a guide, install the new diffuser and tighten with a 5/8 inch wrench. Using the wire as a guide, install the new contact tip by hand and tighten with welpers. Reinstall the nozzle.